All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive Lesson 12, Lowercase c. A printed lowercase c looks very much like a cursive lowercase c. The cursive just slants and has a connector to connect it to the letters that come after. Lowercase c is our fifth undercurve letter. Just like A, D, O, and G, it is formed with an undercurve that starts just below the midline and then touches the midline with a nice curve and comes around. Its difference is it doesn't close into a circle. It just goes right on up to connect to the next letter. Lowercase c is a very simple letter. Not everyone makes it carefully, I think because it's so easy. We need to be careful when we make our C's to get that nice curve in it. As we're getting ready to complete our practice page for lowercase c, please make sure your desktop is cleared with only your paper and your pencil on it. You're sitting up straight, you have your paper properly tilted, and you've printed your name neatly at the top of the page. Looking at our paper, we remember this is our model. We want all of our letters to look like this when we're finished. And as we work, we should look back to it and make sure we're doing what we need to. As we look at our training wheel letters, we see we start below the line, the midline. We go up and touch the midline with a nice curve. Our down curve comes down, but this time our under curve just starts reaching across to go ahead and connect to the next letter. Very simple, but it is important to get that good curve in it, or we really won't have a letter that looks like a C. After practicing that down curve, on the training wheel letters, we're ready to move on and try it on our own. Make sure when you're working on your own that you're watching for that good curve that is a C. It really needs to be there. So you are going to practice the first row with the training wheel letters. Try it on your own. Practice the next row with the training wheels. Try them on your own. And then we will be ready to work on making connections with C's.